Hope you guys are doing well. Welcome back. So in this video, I'm going to show you that how you can create a new group on Signal. So let's start. So first of all, what we have to do, simply we need to install the Signal, and after that we have to connect it with our mobile phone. And after that, let's click on this icon. And after clicking on this icon, here's the new group option. So we have to click on the new group. And after clicking on this, as you can see, currently I have these both users. So now we have to choose that whom I want to add in group. So let's choose this. And after that, we have to click on the next. And after clicking on the next, now I need to provide the group name. For example, I'm gonna provide my group name like the CCTV. And after that, as you can see, disappearing message. If you want to make it down, you can also do that, and the 1 week or whatever you want. And after that, you have to click on the create. And as you can see, as the image option is also provided. If you want to add your image option, you can also do that. You have to click on this. For example, I'm gonna choose this. You can also choose the avatar. You can also upload your own image as well. And then we have to click on the save. And after clicking on save, simply you need to click on the create, and after clicking on the create, your group will be created. So in this way you can create a group on Signal desktop version. I hope you guys understand this video that how you can do this. So see you guys in the next video.